to RR corporates. Now we will discuss frequently asked questions on SEBI automated trading window closure for immediate relatives. Circular dated April 21st, 2025. What is the main purpose of SEBI's new circular dated April 21st, 2025? The circular mandates the automated implementation of trading window closure, not just for designated persons, DPs, but also for the immediate relatives during periods involving unpublished price sensitive information, UPSI, especially around financial results. Which regulation governs in this circular? It is governed by SEBI Prohibition of Insider Trading Regulation 2015, especially in the context of trading window closure provisions under Clause 4 of Schedule B, who are considered immediate relatives under SEBI PIT regulations. As per Regulation 2(1)(f), immediate relatives, a spouse and parent, sibling, or child of person or their spouse, if they are financially dependent on such person, or if they consult such person before trading in the securities. This is what the definition of immediate relative. Then what is the changing with respect to immediate relative? So earlier, immediate relatives were governed annually. DPs had to inform them and ensures no trading. Now, once PAN details are submitted, so the system automatically freezes trading during the closing window, just like it does for DPs. So now it will do it for immediate relatives also. So what is the trading window closure? See, it is a predefined period. Predefined period meaning which DPs and their immediate relatives cannot trade in the company's security due to the likely presence of UPSI, unpublished price sensitive information, like before quarterly or annual results. When will the new system be implemented? This is a phase-wise implementation. First phase, top 500 companies by market cap as of 31st March 2025. So the top 500 companies by market cap as of 31st March 2025. So the implementation is from 1st to July 2025. And in second phase, all other listed companies and newly listed ones from October 1st, 2025. So in 2 phases, this will be implemented. What are the key responsibilities for listed companies? Quarterly submissions of PAN and demat details of DPs and immediate relatives. And timely declaration of trading window closure dates and ensure integration with the designated depository, NSDL or CDSL. Revise internal code of conduct and SDD. So SDD systems as per the new norms, and even internal code of conduct has to be revised. So which trades are restricted during closing periods? On market and off market trades, both are restricted. Pledges and encumbrances of securities by immediate relatives. So what does the PAN level security freeze means? See, PAN level security freeze means that are the security level, ISIN level, PANs of DPs and immediate relatives are electronically logged from the trading in that company shares during the closure period. Can a company seek exemption from this automation? Yes. Under Regulation 9, companies may apply for specific exemptions provided the reasons are recorded and submitted to the system. So what happens if DP doesn't submit PAN details of immediate relatives? So non-submission would be seen as no compliance lapse, potentially triggering regulatory scrutiny and penalties for the listed entity and the DP. Is there any clarity on notional trading window closure? Not it. SEBI hasn't clarified whether manual, not system triggered. Manual closures must follow the same freeze protocol. So SEBI hasn't clarified. For such cases, the onus remains with the DP and compliance officer to restrict trading by immediate relatives. So how does this change benefit the markets? So closes the compliance loopholes in inside trading companies. And it reduces manual workload for compliance officers, enhances traceability and auditability, protects investor confidence by making trading practices more robust. So what is the role of the designated depository? Both the designated depository, NSDL and CDSL. So the designated depository collects PAN numbers, trading window dates, and demat details from companies and share them with the stock exchange and other depository for synchronization. So what must a compliance officer do now? Shift from sending manual alerts to focusing on UPSI tracking, proactive risk management, updating code of conduct and STD, and ensure 100% accuracy in DP and immediate relative records. So 100% accuracy in DP and immediate relatives records and their details. Are trading restrictions during the closure period applicable to all securities? Answer is no. Restrictions apply only to securities of the listed entity where the person is designated person. For other listed securities, the restrictions do not apply unless there is a UPSI related to those entities as well. Can designated person trade immediately after the trading window closure ends? Yes, they can trade only after the closure ends and the UPSI made public, subject to pre-clearance if the trade exceeds prescribed thresholds under the company's code of conduct. Is pre-clearance of trades required during trading window closure? Answer is no. Pre-clearance is not at all permitted during the trading window closure. It is not permitted. Pre-clearance applies only when the trading window is open. And even then, UPSI position must be ruled out. So, can an immediate relative be penalized for trading during the closure, even if they claim ignorance? Answer is yes. Under SEBI's framework, knowledge or intent is not defense. If the immediate relative trades during the closure and is financially dependent or consult the DP, it is a violation, regardless of awareness. What records should companies maintain for trading window closures? Companies must maintain a structured digital database, SDD, structured digital database with access logs, PAN submissions and updates of DBs and immediate relatives, evidence of communication of closure updates, audit trials of trades during closure periods through depository integration. These are the records should companies maintain for trading window closure. This is what the questions which is generally come across and answers given. Hope you are clear. Thank you.